Okay, excuse the mess, everybody. Got a Goodwill stack going here on the bed and everything. This is my whatever room right now. A bird flew in the house when I went to let Buddy back in before I leave to go to work. And he's in this room somewhere. I hope he didn't hurt himself because I don't hear him moving around now. Little bird. Oh, there you are. Hey, buddy. Hey. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna open the window for you, okay? You're gonna have to wait just a second, okay? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna open the window. Easy little birds. Alright, dude, are you ready? Come on. He's got so much crap to land on in here. It's hilarious. Alright. I got the window open. Come on. Okay, here. Oh, shit. Oh my goodness. There you go. There you go. Oh, you were almost there. Dude, come on. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, little guy. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Bird, seriously? This is when you're wondering, like, where did all the butterfly nets go from the kids? Shit. At least we're confined to this room. So this is a bonus. Oh my gosh. Little bird. The window's wide open down here, man. Oh, I see your tail feathers. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a worthwhile being late. Look, I've rescued hummingbirds before. Doesn't that mean anything to you? Oh, jeez. There you go. There you go. Look, you're right there. Go. Go. You're right there. The window's open. Do it. Look. Oh, shit. All right, little dude. Oh, housekeeping. Oh my goodness. All right, you ought to be good and tuckered out now, yeah? Oh.